It's your boy TNCrawler here, and check this out. I was just sitting here doing a photo shoot. Here's my cameras. And crawling around a little bit. And I was going to make a video about crawling today, but man, I've got the craziest thing going on now. You can't see it. Do you see it? I see it. But right there. See what that is? Check this out. Let's see if I can get close enough. Got mama attacking me. Oh, there she goes. Look, there he is. Check him out, dude. He's just so tiny. I guess today was trying to learn to fly and everybody crashes. See, even birds know the concept of RC flying. First flight's always a crash. A little bit of nature for you from TNCrawler. Hope y'all enjoy the little bird. Here, I'll get a couple more shots for you. Here he goes. Take off, little bud. He's hoping he can take off. Be cool if he actually does.